Good morning mga lalabs. Good morning. Reggie is back. I'm here. Gang, I have a very special show to you. I have a special show. My Nu Skin Happy, my little box, happy box. So, titignan natin gang kung anong laman ito. Yes, because my customers, my Nu Skin clients are waiting for this. Yes, this is a very nice products that arrived today. So, we will see kung anong laman. Tada! Tada! Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I got so many anti-aging, tawag doon, whitening toothpaste, AP24, whitening toothpaste. If you want to have this, PM is the key. This is a very nice product that makes your teeth whiter and prevent from bad breath. Because I'm also using this, so PM me if you want to have this. I will be giving you discounts to selected items. Okay, 15%. So PM me for more for orders and discount. Yes, AP24 whitening toothpaste from Nu Skin. Also, my best seller, tea green. I'm also obviously I'm taking also this. So PME is a dietary capsule. So PME if you want to have this. Yes. And this one also for pimples. This is also my best seller. Epoch blemish treatment. So PME if you think you're needing this Epoch blemish treatment sa may mga pimples. And lastly, toner, anti-aging toner. Somebody ordered me this. So this is one for me and for my client. So if you want to have this toner, you know what is toner? Toner is to protect your skin and to close your pores. So very important, we need to use toner. So if you think you're looking for these products, Nu Skin anti-aging products, PM me for more inquiries and for more discounts. Also send me a message. Yes, discover the best you in Nu Skin. Have a nice day. Ciao.